Hi there. Just a quick recap of my yesterday's trade on GTEC, where I lost $700 in demo trading. I thought it would be a good idea to share with you what I've done wrong, and also for me to learn from it from this recap as well. So yeah, it's over here. It's 12:38, so in a couple of hours I'll be live streaming. But I was just looking at what I've done wrong yesterday, and I thought I'll share with you as well. So here it is. So let me start. I'll show you what, my commentary and what I've done wrong here, and then I'll share my thoughts about what went wrong. I did share it when I was trading, actually, after I traded, but I had a second look, and there's one thing or two that I thought would be worth explaining again. So let's have a look. How do I switch this back? So I'm switching to this. This is from my yesterday stream. So I'm just gonna play it back. Now let's listen. Wow. Seems to. Look, that's what happened. I'm gonna try to get myself out of this pickle. I think that's it. Yeah, I just lost a lot of money. That's okay. Minus 282. So that's what happens, and it just shows us how risky this game is. So okay, so let me just put my camera on. Camera here. So now you see me here, and what I've done there. So I don't know if you noticed over here what's been happening, but I'm just gonna rewind it back a little bit so we can check it again. I was actually quite aggressive here, and I was buying and selling, so I made 54, 20, 24. So on this move, I made quite a bit of money, which gave me a cushion. I don't know, whatever. To even though I took 700 loss, I still ended up with only 200 plus dollars loss. But that shouldn't have happened. I mean, I'm trying to think of a way to avoid the situation like this in the future. So let me just switch the sound off. So what I was looking at over here, let me just play it. Um, I thought that it will go down here to this descending resistance level, and there'll be some accumulation, and it will pop back up even higher, right? Because once it kind of it looks strong at this point, right? But I didn't pay attention to a couple of things. So let's play it, and I'll try to stop it at the right moment. So it goes down to that level, and what am I seeing here, right? Look at the time and sales. I didn't pay attention to that, right? I keep going, and what am I seeing on the tape? I didn't get in yet. Yeah, I just placed an order. You see, placed an order, and I got filled 100 shares at 25.64. Whilst this is happening, so I was buying when this was moving down. Obviously, when you're trying to catch the bottom, that's what you do in a way. But this is one of the signals that shows me that it's weak. I shouldn't be entering this, right? It kind of, I can see on this candle as well that it popped up above and flashed down and closed underneath the resistance level. Then it tries again, fails, and I'm trying to get in instead of just being careful and not getting myself involved, right? Especially that we see how this stock, we can see how volatile this stock is. So let's just keep playing. So that's one thing, right? Red on the tape. Actually, that's one. Two is that the candles close kind of underneath this level. So two reasons why I shouldn't be getting in. And what am I doing? I'm still at 100 shares. It flashes down. What am I doing? Am I selling? No. I just increased my size to 200 shares. Um, so that's what happened. 300 shares now at this point because I thought it will bounce back. So I got a fill for I'm in with 300 shares. So let's see. And now I I actually decided 2461. Um, so 50. Okay, so what I did here, I pressed my hotkey to get out for, I don't know, 61. I don't know why it's 61. Maybe I was trying to get out. I'm not sure. I don't. It doesn't show me what hotkey I use at this point, but it looks to me like no. But I don't have a hotkey that will set me for 11 cents profit. So I must have been trying to get out. So I probably clicked Shift D. If you watch my hotkey video, you'll know what that is. So that hotkey has it's a limit order with 5 cent spread, but because the stock is moving so quickly, it didn't hit that price. And look what happened. So I have an order to sell. Yeah, try to get out at that price. That didn't happen. I deleted that hotkey, and then at 22.95, yeah, I put another order to sell. No, that's I removed that as well. I think I canceled that, and then I got out um, with one of the hotkeys at 22.15 when it went limit down. Right. Can't really say for sure what I was doing there. I think first of all, when I got my 300 shares, I pressed the hotkey to close for profit, for 10-cent profit, even though it was showing 11 there. And then I deleted that. I tried to get out, couldn't, and then eventually I got out at the bottom of it. So the other problem, so the third issue I would say is averaging down, and the fourth one, if I can say that, would be not using the correct hotkey. I should have been bailing out uh, with with another key just to get me out the market instead of with a limit of 5 cents. So that those are my thoughts about what I've done wrong. The problem is if I'm going to eventually try to trade with a bigger with a bigger size, that will be thousands of dollars loss. So I have to be really careful on those volatile stocks, not to get myself in those kind of situations. I rather wait. I think I should wait for the stock to prove the strength rather than and trying to see the signals as they happen. Having said that, you not always going to get it right. I'm not always going to get it right regardless. There might be a positive signals to get in and the stock will do the opposite, and the losses are unavoidable. And I'm happy I was still relatively quick to take that loss, because I know what it costs to keep it going, to keep it, keep hoping. So yeah, that's basically my thought about that. Okay, it's a bit longer than I thought it would be, but here these are my reasons why I think I shouldn't have been in the stock in the first place, and should have waited for better entry. So thanks for watching, and I'll be live streaming in pretty soon, in an hour or two. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.